introduction now. What we gonna do? What you gonna say? I don't know how you introduce your channel.
I always say, I don't know, I just say, hey, it's me, Heather.
Okay, go.
Hey everybody, it's me, Chef Mommy, and I am so excited today because I can't believe she is in my kitchen. I have been watching you forever.
I've been watching you.
Are you serious?
Yes, I have. I've been watching you. She thinks she ain't gonna be singing today, but she is.
Oh my God.
Gonna do some old sopped up singing.
This girl can sing her face off. Guys, this is Danni Rose from Stovetop Kisses.
Hey y'all. I'm happy to be here in this old $18 million home.
Oh my God, she is totally her.
In Birmingham, Alabama. Let me tell y'all, I have lived in Birmingham 20-something years and I moved away and I come to this house. Y'all, this house is so sopped up. Baby, it made me want to go home and throw my whole house in the trash. I'm over
Danni,
this. Bye.
you are so silly.
Oh,
I
yeah.
love her.
We got this house got 8 stories.
No, it's
3 bathrooms. I mean 3 backyards. 18. This is like Mike Tyson house, y'all. It is.
It's silly.
Put me to shame. I'm done. I'm done. Any man that come to me now, baby, if you can't put me in this, you out the door.
She is crazy. Oh my gosh.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful, y'all. But we're here today, and Hannah got me on the hill. Now y'all know I don't do no vegan food because I cusses them out. They come to my channel. But today, because of Heather, I am here doing vegan food. This is gonna be really interesting, baby.
This is about to be funny, but guess what? You about to make this vegan food sops up.
We gonna see. Probably gonna stop down if I do it. I'm gonna need you to.
No, it's not.
You got to do it.
You can cook.
She's gonna teach me today. I'm following her lead.
We are following each other because she doesn't think that she can cook vegan food, but all the stuff that you cook is probably harder than what I make.
I doubt it very seriously. I don't even know how to grind. I don't even know how you even put this in the. What it look like when we take it out the pack.
This is about to be funny, y'all. What are we making, Danni?
Today, I have been taught into making a vegan lasagna.
Yay!
Yay! But we had to compromise, so I was like, Heather, we gotta make this lasagna like a whole lot of layers.
Yes.
Because my people gonna be watching this too. So we gotta convince my vegetarian, vegan people who are just ruthless that this is okay to eat. So we gotta make it sopped up. So I am interested to see what this is like pate or something. I don't know.
Gosh.
We're gonna see what this is. It's plant-based ground beef.
Yes.
And then we have the
tofurkey.
Good.
She took out her real Bama girl. I've been trying to, since I've been here, I'm from New Orleans. So you got the words in that. Yes,
okay. I love New Orleans, by the way.
Yes.
So do you cook like a lot of red beans and stuff and all that?
A lot of beans.
So do your kids, because I know they have, anybody that's watching that don't know, Heather's kids have food allergies.
Yes.
And so she has adapted very, very well to their palate. So yay for that, because baby mine be around here eating popcorn. I ain't got nothing else for you. Popcorn and air sandwiches.
Oh gosh.
Taste the air.
No.
So I applaud her for that. So your kids can eat red beans, they can eat.
They eat this stuff too. They eat a lot of things.
Okay.
They're allergic to like nuts, to dairy, so any kind of cheeses and stuff they can't do.
Oh, so they have to have vegan food.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Now some of them, all of them aren't vegan. Every now and again they decide they want to eat like a piece of chicken or something.
They eat a little bit of meat. Okay,
Yeah.
but no dairy.
No dairy.
All of them are allergic to dairy?
All of them.
Wow.
Yeah, it's really crazy.
So if they eat dairy, then what happens?
They need to go to the hospital.
Okay, it's like a peanut allergy.
Yeah, same. So they have peanut allergies too. All of it. We have it all.
That's all right. They here in Jesus' name.
That's
and
right.
They good. They
That's
are
right.
here. They are healthy.
That's
in
right.
Jesus' name. That's
So that's
right.
why I do this. But hey.
Well, we're gonna get started on the try meat. What this meat is? It's tofurkey meat and the
Beyond Meat.
Okay, let's go. Here we are.
All right. Okay, so
Okay, convince me, Heather.
Let's get convinced. Let's turn the fire on. So we're gonna make this like we're gonna just do it like we do regular ground beef.
Okay.
Right? So we're gonna season it but not help Danny. So Danny brought her pots.
I did.
Woo!
Okay.
I'm excited. So we're just gonna turn this fire on.
You're not having that.
I know.
Okay.
I know.
I'm gonna try it. I'll treat it like a sex life. I'll try anything once.
Oh gosh, she is a mess.
I got to. Okay. So we'll add the oil.
So we're gonna put some oil in the skillet.
Okay.
And I think what I would do is let's do the vegetables and then we can add that meat to it.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So we got some onion.
Okay. We got onion in there. I like onion.
We got some
ladies, you
garlic.
gotta be careful with this onion, honey, because you know it come out with some other areas and they ain't gonna be soft through. Soft down. Okay. Better watch that. I was telling like it is over here at Heather's house today. Now, next week she's gonna be back with her regular scheduled program. Today you gonna get all this. All right.
I might need to put an explicit one on this.
I forgot to
It's a family channel. So we got some mushrooms.
Okay, we got
mushrooms. Celery. Do you put celery in your
So you know that I hate mushrooms, but I know.
Do you hate mushrooms? We are not gonna do mushrooms. Celery?
Yeah, celery is fine.
So you do celery. And then I have some fresh herbs. I have like basil. But we can put this, we don't have to saute this.
Okay.
Right.
So when you do like a lasagna that is vegan, you're just basically putting a ton of veggies in there, making it flavorful.
Yeah.
So we won't know the difference.
Yeah,
okay,
exactly.
Gotcha.
So, all right, so yes,
so no butter.
No butter. Oh God, I was watching you the other day. I was like, that must taste really good. You do have vegan butter. Me too.
How does that cook?
It's pretty close to, but nothing is the same as butter.
As regular.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's a little different.
We have no butter today. Okay.
We have olive oil.
Olive oil is good.
All right,
I like
so let's put some onions in.
Okay. I'll put this.
And I think, did I put them out? Well.
Here we go. We got salt. Now, is the salt gotta be vegan?
No, this is pink salt. So I have high blood pressure. So
okay.
I know you done gave somebody the eye.
I like the Himalayan salt.
Yes.
I like that. I like the Himalayan salt. Okay.
All right.
So we got the onions. We're gonna cook these onions till they translucent.
Yep.
Okay. I want to like you today.
So I cheated today. What I did today was to buy some. Usually I'll make my own sauce.
Right.
But I just bought some.
But everybody got some. You know what I always say? Sometimes you got to be for the everyday girl, everyday person. You know, people trying to feed their families, get food on the table and stuff like that. And that's just not approachable. So what I do is if I have time, when I do spaghettis or pasta or whatever with red sauce, I make a lot and then I just freeze it. You know, so that I can just pull it aside. Because a lot of times, that's why people are intimidated. They don't want to cook. They feel like, oh,
it's too much work. You gotta do everything.
Yeah, and that's not it, America.
Yeah.
But people don't have time, which is why the obesity level is so high and things like that, because we're consistently going through drive-thrus and all that stuff. Or whatever. So if you got some shortcuts for teach us, teach us. I'm ready. Okay. I'm ready for it. Now it smells good. I ain't gonna lie.
See, it's gonna surprise. I think it's gonna surprise you.
It do smell.
Open up your mind. What else do we have? So we put them all in there. The garlic and the.
I did. Open it.
Let's add the meat.
Okay.
So I told.
You gonna do that?
Look, it looks like ground beef. Come on, girl. Get over here, good. I can't say it right.
Good.
I'm trying to get my good.
Okay, it's good. G-U-H.
I thought y'all were playing at first, like a couple of my friends from Birmingham. I was like, that is really how they say it.
Yeah, good. Come on, girl. What? I like it too, especially when a good old strong back country said.
I gotta get the camera on this. Y'all gotta see Danny's face close up looking at this. This is hilarious.
Okay, Mama, what you got me into over here with this? I'm like, man, it ain't.
See, y'all, look, it's not that. It looks kind of like meat, right?
I don't know.
Does it look like? So we put some garlic. We got the onion powder. Yeah. And I always do double. I know we put fresh garlic, fresh onion. Do you do that?
Baby, put that season up in there, baby. Everybody send these people out here. Shoot. You got to season it up in the creases and the crevices, because you know what I always say, Heather.
What?
That food be tasting like a hot cup of water, baby. Ain't nobody gonna do that. Okay, the folks gonna talk about you in the group chat, baby. Oh, wait. Father God, in the name of Jesus. Bless this food.
Oh God.
That ain't bad.
It ain't bad. See, I told you. Does it need more seasonings?
No, I like it.
Doom, 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 doom. Now it's time to get a shout. She got saved. We let her taste some big meat. Woo, woo, woo.
Girl, it's good.
I told you. It's not bad. It's not bad, right?
It's good. One jar in. That looks good. I can't wait to eat that, baby. And then do you let it let a little bit? Or
Yeah, just a little bit. And I always put like a pinch of sugar.
Me too.
Do you
Me
do the
too.
same thing?
I was
Yeah.
gonna ask you, do you want to put a little sugar in
Let's
there?
put a little sugar. Make it.
And make it soft good.
Yes.
Here we go.
So we're gonna use the smoked Gouda style slices, and they don't come in like a block, so we just shredded it up. And I'm gonna mix 3 cheeses actually. So I'm gonna mix this one. I like the Follow Your Heart one, and I think it's behind you, Danny. I like the Daiya because this stuff actually melts. If you go out and eat pizza and you're eating a vegan pizza, 9 times out of 10 you're probably eating this kind of cheese, Daiya cheese. And it's no dairy. It's what I use because it's safe for my kids.
Okay.
And then that other one, that Parmesan, I just mix it just so we can have a depth of flavor. So this is Follow Your Heart too. So we use a little bit of this, a little bit of this, and this. We're gonna mix them all together.
It's gonna be good.
All right, hold it.
Look there, y'all. Well, I'll be glad, baby. That
You
looks
know
like
how they
some
put the
sour
basil?
cream.
So let's put a little.
Yeah, then sop it up. Put that season up in there.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That was onion powder, garlic powder, and then I have some basil, and we're just gonna put that in there. She looking at me like, what are you doing?
I'm just rolling with it, Heather. I'm rolling
Roll
with
it, roll
it.
it.
We like Ike and Tina, baby. We rolled on the river, baby.
Oh, I'm gonna put it in the oven on, I don't know if that's too hot, 425. That might be a little hot. I'll adjust it. But because the meat is already.
Hell is even hotter. They'll be up. Yes.
So we're gonna let it bake, and we're just gonna watch it and see if the cheese.
Y'all get on y'all knees and just pray. Honestly, it looks so good. As y'all can see, when Hella was putting it together, it looked beautiful. So I can't wait to try it. But baby, I'm just gonna be over here and a little coma balled up till it come out, y'all.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. You get it out. Yeah, I'll bring this closer to you.
Okay. Oh, that looks good.
Oh, look at that.
It looks good. Okay.
Like that clap music. That is beautiful.
It is.
She's doing a 360 turn.
So everybody can see.
Hilarious. I love it.
Lord.
We don't help it, Jesus.
Please let me stop up, and I know it's gonna be there.
That Danny don't get scared.
Look at that.
Yep.
We got some cheese for actually a little bit, some creaminess from that sour cream. Okay.
Let's see. Are you ready? I don't even want to taste mine because I've had it a million times. I just want to see what Danny.
I don't lie. But I was shaking in my boots, baby. I was shaking like a prostitute in jail. Okay. But baby, okay, I can't even lie. It is delicious.
It's delicious.
It is delicious. Baby. I love her.
If you're not already following her, follow her at Stovetop Kisses.
Yes, and be sure to follow Heather at Chef. Is it I Am Chef Mommy?
The Chef
Mommy.
On
The Chef Mommy on Instagram and YouTube is the same thing.
Yes.
Same
Chef
thing.
Mommy. Yep.
Make sure to follow Heather because baby, let me tell you something. If anybody can convince me to eat these plants, she did.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
You did. I ain't gonna even lie.
Yes.
You did it.
All right. See y'all next time.
Bye. Oh, whoa.